M650, M750 and M830. Robust, compact, intuitive. The M650, M750 and M830 ride-on auto scrubber range is compact and fast, the ideal solution to effectively clean both large, open areas and confined spaces inaccessible by larger machines. The machines pass through standard doors and can be transported in elevators. The scrub deck can be fitted with 2 brushes or pads for a respective cleaning path of 65, 75, and 83 centimeters. Powerful forward traction guarantees a productivity rate of up to 5,000 meters squared per hour. The M650, 750, and 830 have been developed specifically for customers who require a robust but simple machine. At MACH, this philosophy is realized in our M mechanical brand. The result is a line of machines designed with only mechanical functions and no electronic components, which are easy to use and maintain, therefore keeping costs to a minimum. A prime example of an M feature is the heavy-duty scrub deck, which is lowered to the floor via a simple foot pedal. 2 powerful motors transmit maximum pressure to the brush heads. A unique self-leveling splash guard contains the solution within the scrub area, guaranteeing a precise and effective clean. Mechanical controls are found throughout the machines, including the regulation of solution flow to the brush head. The heavy-duty squeegee, made in steel as opposed to plastic, the parabolic and oscillating structure centrally directs water for perfectly clean dry floors in every environment, is also engaged directly from the driver's seat via a user-friendly lever. For extra protection, the squeegee automatically uncouples on accidental impact. Following MACH's high-quality standards, the blades are in Linatex, a material which guarantees maximum performance and lifespan. They can be used on all 4 sides, and reversing the blades is quick and tool-free, ensuring maintenance time and cost are kept low. The quiet vacuum motor operates at a low acoustic level, making the M650, M750 and M830 also appropriate in noise-sensitive environments. Together, these characteristics make the drying system of these 3 MACH ride-on auto scrubbers best in class. To reduce cost and consumption, the M650, M750 and M830 are available with the Dosematic system. This permits the operator to adjust in real time the concentration of the solution delivered to the brush head without having to stop cleaning. The universal container holder is fully visible for constant monitoring of consumption and quick replacement without exposing the operator to chemicals. The traction motor is completely sealed and protected within a tubular reinforcement. The structure, anti-tilt bars and bumpers are completely in steel and make the machine even safer and more robust. For particularly corrosive environments, the machines are available in MACH's innovative chrome version, with frame and specific components in stainless steel. The M650, M750 and M830 benefit from energy optimization and can work for 4 continuous hours off a single battery charge. A convenient on-board battery charger ensures quick and safe charging. The solution and recovery tanks have a capacity of 110 and 125 liters, enabling increased productivity whilst reducing time wasted filling and emptying. Flexible hoses ensure emptying the tanks is easy. The recovery tank is fitted with stainless steel filter to retain larger debris, enabling quick and convenient disposal. The M650, M750 and M830 combines the productivity of a ride-on scrubber dryer with the simplicity of a walk-behind. M650, M750 and M830. Robust, compact, and intuitive.